Let's complete the sentence. This is a book. This is a book. He can read and write. And he can read and write. Move to the next. What will be the next? I ran away. I ran away. My house is big. Big. My house is big. The sky is blue. Blue. The sky is blue. I can jump. Can. I can jump. He will come. Come. He will come. Put it down. Down. Put it down. Collect sticker of your choice. Very good. Now move to the next. Try to find it. Find. Try to find it. It is for free. For. It is for free. Now come to the next. It is funny. Funny. It is funny. I have two eyes. Two. I have two eyes. Now come to the next. Good job. You did it. Very good. Keep it up. Very nice. Excellent. Come to the next. Please go away. Go. Please go away. Can I help? Help. Can I help? Now move to the next. I am right here. Here. I am right here. I can drink. I can drink. Now collect your gift. Yippee! Now move to the next. I am in house. In. I am in house. He is my friend. Is. He is my friend. Now move to the next. It is new. It is new. What next? I can jump. Jump. I can jump. Good job. You did very well. Very good. Excellent. Now come to the next. I am a little busy. Little. I am a little busy. What will be the next? Look at that. Look. Look at that. Do not make me mad. Make. Do not make me mad. Let me see. Me. Let me see. Now pick a stamp. Very good. Now move to the next. This is my book. My. This is my book. I can not eat. Not. I can not eat. Now move to the next. I have one sister. One. I have one sister. I play piano. Play. I play piano. Now thanks for watching.